What's up, everybody? Today I'm out with Find a Field metal detecting group on Facebook. If you're not a member, you should go to their Facebook page and check it out. Find a Field. Pretty excited today, although it's all pasture. Never had much luck on pasture, but yeah, looking to have a good day. We'll see you guys on the first find. Good little turnout. About to get ready to get started. We'll see you guys. Got my son with me today. Hey, what are you doing over there in the bushes? Well, we got our first find, guys. Let's see what it is, Levi.
Totally
not sure what it is yet.
It's not a hammer coin, though.
Not sure. I have to get home and clean it up, but what, Kelly? Alright, moving on. Alright, guys. So I just got done flying the drone a little bit. Levi's messing around. He found this target. And not sure what it is. Nice little green ring though. Pretty old probably. Probably nothing special, but put some wax on it and I'm sure it'll look nice. It'll probably go in my finds bucket. Alright, see you on the next one. Find of the day so far, guys. 3 beautiful horses. They come walking up on me. Pretty funny. Alright, hopefully we'll find something. Looks fine. It's got a bullet, pellet, something shot, mushroomed out when it hit something. Nothing real special yet. We're gonna keep on going though. See you at the next one. Yeah, Levi made some friends. He's never really been around horses, so he's a bit scared, I think. They're big, huh? Why? Okay. Well, kind of slow going on the pasture. Like always, I never have luck on it. But we did get something out of here. Next time. I don't know if you can see it, but 26 to 30. Let Levi break the plug apart and try and find it. Like this. Sorry, got a little chopped in the video. This might take a minute.
There you go.
You can't just throw it in there because we have to put the grass upside. Here, let's start by taking chunks of dirt like this. Never do many live digs like this. What's that right there?
Sit.
Yeah, sure. It's just clay. There's nothing in there. Keep going. Let me make sure. Hang on. It's in there somewhere. I think it's picking up my phone. Uh-oh. Hang on. Okay. It's down here somewhere. Scared you. Oh man, I really wish I had my pinpointer. It's a bit rough here, guys. I'm not sure I'm gonna find anything.
Never say never.
Pinpointer sure does make a difference, doesn't it? Alright guys, if I find it, we'll get back to you. Well, after all that, we found it. Not sure what it is. Half dome, oh geez, piece of lead. Not that nice looking. but we'll take it since we can't take nothing else yet. Alright guys, having a heck of a time today with no pinpointer. It's getting fixed. Had to send it back. It was doing some weird stuff. But anyway, I got on a target here out of the plug, or it's in the plug. Ringing up about 37, 38. When I get it out, I'll show you guys what it is. Alright. Alright guys, got it out. Just a lead circle. Got a hole in the middle. Can't get the stuff out of it. I will when I get home though. Maybe an old spindle weight or something. I don't know. Moving on. Find of the day.
It's
a buckle.
Earthworm Sally, carrying 3 diseases from Florida to Cali.
Really? Nice buckle, guys.
Wait, does it actually have a disease?
No. It's a big one.
No, not.
Alright guys, next hole. Again, continuing my strikeout on pasture land.
Yep.
Hopefully tomorrow's dig's a little more fruitful for me. Anyway, I am going to make a video out of this. Levi? What are you doing? Anyway, I am going to make a video out of this, so I thought I'd share this little piece of lead that I found up. Anyway, hopefully we'll find at least one coin today. Hey guys. Well, we found another thing. Another buckle actually. Oh, Levi. Yep, he's not too excited about it, but I am.
I am excited. Because well, I'm not really excited about your glove getting ripped.
Oh, let's be alright. Anyway, look at this buckle, guys. It's massive. It's really old too. Still got the clasp on it. Here we go, let me get you. Hey, easy. You're gonna break it there, buddy.
I'm just holding it lightly.
Clasp is barely on there. It actually wants to fall off there. And yeah.
Captain Hook.
Oh, I lost the clasp. Son of a gun, there it is. Alright.
Looks like Captain
So I'm
Hook.
gonna put that back together. Put it in my fines pouch. Levi says it's Captain Hook. That's the clasp. Anyway, that thing's old. Wish it had some patina on it, but it'll be alright. It'll go in the fines bucket just fine. Alright, see you on the next one. Hopefully. There'll be another one.
Earthworm Sally.
What is up, guys? We are on a big dig today. Big rally. There's gonna be so many people here. Massive land. 2 clubs together. Hopefully some awesome finds today. We will see how it goes. Hoping to find at least one hammered coin. Make my day. A Roman coin, something like that. But whatever happens, happens. Got a couple friends coming. Should meet up. See some of their finds. And we will see how the day goes. Alright, we'll see you on the first find. Well, we're off, guys. Lots of people here. Got my first find. Nice old buckle. Still with the clasp and everything. Really nice. Alright, we'll see you at the next one. Damn, guys. I thought I just found a silver strap in. Not sure what it is though. I'll show you what it is. So all I seen was that shiny reflection right there. And the way it's shaped. Thought it was a silver strap end maybe, but it's definitely not. Not sure what it is, but alright, we're gonna move on. See you at the next one. Alright, I got me a bullet, guys. Nice little bullet. Not sure the caliber. Looks pretty old. But once again, on pasture land. I just had the worst luck ever on pasture land, so no pinpointer. But I'm not really needing it because, as you can see, I got a buckle and a bullet now. Oops, just dropped the bullet. There it is. Got a buckle and a bullet. That's about it so far. Hopefully get at least one coin today, guys. I want one coin. I don't care if it's the 1900s or what. One coin. Alright, we'll see you at the next one, hopefully. I have the worst luck on pasture land. I walk. I can't even see it. I'm going to have to turn the camera around and zoom in. Like 5 football fields. One good signal and it was that bullet. Positive note, I'm one good signal away from the best fun of my life. You know what I mean? So I'm going to keep at it. I'll turn you guys around and show you this massive long field. See ya. You find that one signal. It's going to change my day. It is beautiful. Nice green pasture. Trees all around. Came in all the way down there. Super blurry. Stupid phone camera. But you can see everybody else down there. Everybody's up on their feet. No one's down digging, so I don't know what's come up today. I'll ask around, see if I can't share some finds with you guys, since I'm not finding anything. But like I said, one good signal away from the find of my life. So, keep on keeping on. We'll see you guys hopefully on the next good signal. Alright guys, on a different field now. Finally met up with Dennis and Andre. Dennis, he's got a target. Andre, way over there, the sniper zoom. Anyway, found something. Could be a coin. I think it's a button though. Let's take a look. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's a button. I can feel how smooth it is. Oh. And still has the shank on the back, which is cool. One of the better finds of the day. Alright guys, hopefully we can have some more on this field. I'll see you at the next one. Still one find away from the find of my life. Not many finds, still. But, did get this nice casing, and that bullet probably, World War II era, definitely. Maybe if I clean it off I can get some information off the bat. And, alright, we'll see you on the next one. Alright guys, I think I got my coin. Seeing a little bit of green in here. Where'd it go? Right there. Yeah, let's see what's it. Looks like a coin to me. Finally. Really clean for coming out. So crazy. This dirt is really dry though. 1934 penny. I said I wanted a coin. I didn't care if it was the 1900s or what. Ever. But looks like I got a 1934 George V penny. Alright. I like that. Quite interesting actually. It's not metal, but a rock or something. This looks kind of cool. I like it. I'm gonna keep it. One of the best finds of the day. It looks like a tooth almost. So weird. Alright. Moving on.